Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series. Question number 68. If f of x equal negative x squared, which represents the graph of f of x plus 3. So I will attack the link for the graph and transformations. Just have a look for it if you're still confused about what we're doing about this question today. So first of all, we have to figure out what is the parent function for this graph, right? For the given functions. And in this case, we see that square. So the parent function in this case is f of x that equal x squared. The second one is we have to see how the given function look like. Okay. So at first we see that the parent functions have the graph look like this. That is y equal x squared. Okay. Now the given functions, how it look? We have f of x equals x squared, and now we have given function is f of x equal negative x squared. So it means the given one is like minus the parent functions, right? Okay, the parent functions is x squared. So the negative in the front, which is this one, with reflection, we will have like the reflections over the x-axis. So it's like the mirror. You just kind of like drawing like that. So we flip it, right? So we flip this one. See that it reflects over the x-axis. So this is the green graph is like the given functions, how it look like. But now they transform it one more time. Okay. So number 3, transform it. As the question asks. Or require. Okay, so now we transform one more time. This is from f of x, we become minus f of x. Now that minus f of x will become, we will do minus f of x, then we add 3. This one, I do the negative f of x here is like the parent functions. From parent functions. The given functions is the green one. It may confuse a little bit, but we can say here's the given functions f of x, that the green one. Okay, so f of x plus 3, that from the given functions. They still call it f of x. We can change it, make it like g of x, like that, to make it not like really confusing. So let's say this is g of x. Okay, given function is f of x. So this is g of x. And this one is our f of x. It's just like the name, but as long as we distinguish between them, it's okay. Okay, so now we will have add a functions at 3 unit, right? Outside the functions. Outside the functions, so that will be this one. So what it does is the vertical translation up D unit. So we add D, we go up D unit. So we add 3, we go up 3 unit. So from here, 1, 2, 3, we go up 1, 2, 3, we're moving up. Okay, so C is the right answer. So you see that from this one, is f of x, we move to the right 3 unit. What it should look like this. So this one should be f of x minus 3. This one should be right here. The horizontal translation right C unit. We move to the right. Now this one we move to the left. It's from here. Okay, so we move to the left. So this one will be f of x plus 3. And we see this one move up, so f of x plus 3. And we see this one is open up, so go up 3 unit. It's open up, so it look like the parent functions, right? And the parent function is g of x equal x squared, right? So this one is g of x at 3. For E is g of x minus 3. Because we go down from parent functions is g, right? Here is g. We move up 3 unit, we move down 3 unit. Thank you for participating in this series and see you next time.